Recharging some AC on a 97 Ford. That right there's your high. Your low's back there, sir. That's your low.
I know.
You got your high. You got your low. Well, you got to have the trucker running. This Triton, she's running. And then on the inside here, you're gonna want to make sure your air conditioner is on high and on max AC. That thing is just a blowing. Yeah, now I'm removing the cap from the low area. Have your bottle on the ready. Remove tab. Oh yeah. Read instructions. Shake hose vigorously, like a lonely Friday night.
That's Scott.
Tip the bottle like you just ain't got no more. Now, if you want to get all scientific, use the cold air indicator that comes with the can. What you're going to do is pull off the adhesive on the back, put it inside the fin, and then it'll actually give you a chart of warm, cold, or coldest. And that's going to tell you what the AC is blowing. Uh-huh.